4 shot dead, cop injured in downtown Kingston. Car wash operator gunned down on the job in Grange Hill, Westmoreland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 4 men were fatally shot early this morning in downtown Kingston, and a policeman injured in running gun battles that spanned at least 3 streets in the commercial district. It reportedly started out as a gun battle between armed men, but morphed into gun battle with law enforcers who responded when they heard loud explosions. When the smoke cleared, 4 suspected gunmen were dead and the police seized 3 9mm pistols and 2 M16 rifles. The gun battles occurred at a section of Orange Street in the vicinity Tranquility Funeral Home and at the intersection of King Street and Charles Street. Information reaching news media is that the Kingston Central Police Division were on patrol along Princess Street in the vicinity of the Kingston Public Hospital when they heard loud explosion coming from the direction of Orange Street. They proceeded to the area where they reportedly saw several gun-toting men firing at each other. On seeing the police, the men reportedly turned their guns on the law enforcers who returned fire. In the ensuing exchange of gunfire, 3 of the men were fatally shot. The 3 pistols were reportedly taken from them. The other men reportedly escaped along Beeston Street. One of them was later seen wounded and was assisted to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The Westmoreland police are probing the killing of a car wash operator who was gunned down while on the job on Tuesday. The deceased has been identified as 25-year-old Andrew Reed of Savannah Lamar address. Reports are that about 2 p.m., Reed was washing a vehicle at his business establishment in Grange Hill in Westmoreland when he was pounced upon by a lone gunman who opened fire, hitting him. The police were summoned and Reed was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the killing.